how to recover deleted messages on Google Messages. So one last option you can try is over here in the top right corner, basically your profile. And from here, you will find the bin section, which is right below archived. And you will be able to find the recent chats that you have thrown out. Now, these messages will disappear in around 30 days, but once a message gets deleted inside the bin, then it becomes permanently deleted and there will be no other way to recover that deleted message on Google Messages. But if you want to recover this, there's this option over here, restore all, right beside the trash bin. If you want to recover a specific one, just hold whatever chat you want to recover. You can choose as much as you want and just press on the restore button. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.